Deep in the Amazon rainforest, nature's drama unfolds daily. And trust me, the cast is wild. Meet the sloth, the forest's chillest influencer. Moves slower than your Wi-Fi during a storm. And over here, poison dart frogs. Tiny, colorful, and rocking the ultimate warning outfit. Do not touch unless you want to regret life choices. This rainforest is home to over 400 billion trees. Good luck finding the bathroom. If you listen closely, you might hear howler monkeys. They scream louder than your neighbor's karaoke night. And did you know? There's a fish called the kangaroo, known to swim, well, places you'd rather not discuss on camera. In the middle of all of this beauty, there's still so much mystery. Scientists discover a new species here every 3 days. Somewhere right now, a bug is getting named after someone's ex. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. It helps us keep uncovering these wild mysteries. But wait, did you see that? That's a capybara, the rainforest's emotional support mammal. Everyone's best friend, no questions asked. The Amazon spans 9 countries, so technically you could hike across it and call yourself a 9-country explorer. Or you could just watch this video from your couch. No snakes involved. From glow-in-the-dark fungi to rivers that boil, this place doesn't just do nature, it does extreme nature. So whether you're here for the adventure or just to laugh at weird animal facts, stay curious, stay wild, because the rainforest is full of stories and we've only scratched the surface. The Amazon always delivers.